Hello everyone, now we will make deer using walnut shells. Take an empty walnut shell, stick its eyes, nose and mouth. Stick it on the paper. Stick another shell to make its lower body part. Paste its horn as shown. Draw its ears, tails and legs. Now draw grass on the green part of the picture and some red flowers. And also draw clouds in the sky. Picture is ready. Now we will make flowers using egg tray. Cut one shell from the tray. Now cut it as shown. Now cut from the upper sides to give it a shape of a flower. Now fill different colors of your choice and stick them on a paper. Now draw its stem, leaves and now draw ladybird as shown in the video. And it's ready. Now we will make a giraffe using empty peanut shells. Stick 2 peanut shells as shown. Now draw its legs, tails and ears and nose. Stick its eyes. Make a baby giraffe in the same way as shown in the video and decorate it with leaves. Now we will make fish using leaves. Take star-shaped leaves and make its tail. Now cut a green color leaf in the shape as shown in the video. Draw its eyes and mouth. Decorate it with different leaves. And it's ready. Now we will make a lightning star and moon. Cut out a moon and small stars using yellow paper and stick them on the black round paper. Now make small holes in the center of the stars and the moon using needle or a compass. Now put fairy lights in those holes from the back and it's ready. Now we will make a snowman. Paste white paper on a round blue paper to make snow. Now paste 2 small white circles to make snowman as shown. Make its eyes, nose, mouths and hands. Paste its hat. Draw its muffler. Put white clay on the hat as shown. Design its hat. Draw a falling snow and it's ready. Now draw and cut out leaf shape and paste it on a round black paper. Draw lines as shown here. Now take clay and stick it to make flowers as shown in the video. Now make a bee using clay. Thanks for watching.